Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
I just love being in the outdoors, but sometimes that means that my phone or laptop doesn't get a charge. Well, I recently got this portable charging station from CTECHi, and it's been a great addition to my camping gear. The first thing that really impressed me about this power station is its size. I expected it to be really big and heavy, but it's not that at all. It's very compact and I can easily carry it almost anywhere. There are 5 options for recharging the battery, including an AC adapter and a DC input. You can also use a solar panel to recharge the unit. There are 4 types of ports on this power station. I personally really like that there's a USB-C port, and then there's this really great quick charge USB. This quick charge is awesome for charging a cell phone. I've also used this unit to charge our drone and my computer. I can definitely get more than a full charge of my computer on this power station, and that's just so nice because I like to take my work with me when I'm camping, and I know that I will be able to charge my computer. Finally, I love that this unit has a light. That's just a great feature for when we're camping. If you like to camp or go off grid, then I would highly recommend this portable charging station from CTECHi. It's great for keeping my electronics powered up, and overall, it's very easy to use and compact.
And that's my point of view.